Hello students, today we are going to discuss some remaining questions of sets. So in previous video we have cleared what is the sets, what are the type of sets, how can we represent the sets. So we have already cleared all the things. Now we are on exercise, miscellaneous exercise, so we are going to solve some questions. Question number 13 is, if you equal 1 2 3 4 5 6 and A 2 3 and B equal 3 4 5, then number 1 A union B hold is, number 2 B minus A, number C A minus B, and number D is A union B equal 3. Okay, so what is your answer? So we have to think that how can we, what is the answer is correct. Answer is also given and we have to check that what answer is correct. It is a 3. A union B is the 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5. B minus A, it is a 4 and 5. A minus B is 2 4 5. It is a 3. So what is the answer and what answer is the correct? So students, we are going to solve this question. So firstly we are going to check one by one. So what is the A union B? When we are going to find A union B, you can say that A union B means all the elements of A and B, so we can say that it is 2 3 4 5. It is A union B. And when we have to find A union B whole day, so we can say that U minus A union B. So the value of U is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the value of A union B means 2 3 4 5. So 2 3 4 5 is A union B. So what is the remaining part? 2 3 4 5. 2 3 4 5 is remaining. So it is 1,6. So is it answer? No, it is not answer. So it is your not answer. Now second one is B minus A. B minus A means B minus A means B. B means 3 4 5. 3 4 5 minus A. A is the 2 3. So what is the common? 3 is here and 3 is here. So the remaining part is the 4 5. From B, when we are saying about the B is the 3 4 5 and it is a A is a 2 3. So we can say that 4 5 is your answer. So is it 4 5? Yeah, it is your answer. Okay, so it is your answer. Your answer is B. Now we are going to check also A minus B. It's not a problem. So A minus B is equal to all the elements of 2 3 4 5. So 3 is the common, so remaining part is the 2. So A minus B is equal to 2. It is not right because it is 2 4 5. It is not right. A union B is 3. A union B is 2 3 4 5. So it is also not correct. Say that portion of following when Venn diagram represented number 1 A intersection B intersection C. Number 2, A union B intersection C. Number 3, A intersection B union C. And fourth is A intersection B union A intersection C. So what is the answer, or what is the question? Question is also your question is like this. Your diagram is like this, that there are three there is A, B, U, and what is the third one? That is the like this. This is C. And what is the dark area? It is dark area. It is your dark area. So now we have to solve, we have to find what is the answer. This is A, B, C or D. What is the correct answer? A intersection B means common area of A intersection B, and intersection C means the area that is the common in A, B and C. A, B and C is common area this. So if is it dark this? No. So it is not your answer. If only this area is dark, so we can say means this and this, so it is your answer, but it is not. Okay, now A union B. When we are saying about the A union B, means all the elements of A and B are included. All the elements of A and B means when we are saying about the A union B, we can say that this is dark and it is intersection with C and common area of C. So this is the area, this is the area, and intersection between this and this area and this area is so it is your answer will be this. So but this is not your answer, so it is not your answer. Now what is the third one? A intersection B. When we are saying about the A intersection B, we say that your answer is this. Intersection B means common area of A and B. This is A and B. Union C means A union B, A intersection B, union C means with C means A union B and all the elements of C means is this area? No. So it is not your answer. So what is the answer? I think fourth one is the answer, because A intersection B means common between A and B, means common between A and B. A intersection C means A, B and C. A intersection C, A union B and A intersection B means common between A and C, common between A and C, common between A and C. And union of this is all the area of this. So is it like this? So yeah, of course. So your answer is D. 15. Question number 15. Which of Venn diagram represent set A minus B intersection C? What is the answer? Your first answer is this is A. Your dark area is this. This is your option A. A, B, and it is C. What about here? Third one is, second one is, it is completed, A is dark. So the answer is, this is the A, this is the B. What is the C? C is and D is what is the C? What is the D? D is this is the A, B, C, and this is your D option. So students, what is the answer? Your answer is B intersection C, means common between B and C. When we are going to see that A is the fully darked. Suppose A means A is the fully darked. And what is the B? What is the B intersection C? When we are saying about the B intersection C, means common between B and C. So what is the common between B and C? We can say that common between B and C, B intersection B means common between B and C. So common between B and C is this. Okay. Now this is B intersection C, and this is the A. So when we are going to find A minus B intersection C, we can say that we subtract this by this. So your answer is A, B, C, D. Your answer is B. So your answer is B, because elements are from A. Elements are from A, and common elements between this and this is this area. This, and common between this and this is this area. So it is removed. So remove this area and your getting answer is from A, so it is your answer. So your answer is B. Okay, so this is sufficient for today. We meet in next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you. Take care.